বাজলো তোমার আলোর বেনু। Sorry guys, extremely sorry for that terrible, disastrous singing. After all, it's Durga Pujo time, almost, but I am completely in the mood for all of it. As you can see, she's already getting ready and I cannot wait for her arrival. How many days for Durga Pujo, guys?
Less than a month.
Less than a month? Are you kidding me? I thought we had more time. I was anyway planning to go for some basic pujo shopping, but looks like I have to go with all my guns blazing. First of all, we are going to start with SSBeauty in Quest Mall because, well, duh, makeup is the most important to start shopping with. And what better place than SSBeauty, which is all the biggest of the brands under one massive roof in Kolkata. So, come with me. ষষ্ঠীতে তো এগ রোলটা খেতে হবে, মোগলাই পরোটা ইজ অলসো নাইস। খিদে পাচ্ছে ভোগটা তো ইজ দেয়ার অন অষ্টমী, দ্যাট ইজ আ মাস্ট। পুজো শপিং কি পেট পুজো ছাড়া হয় নাকি? But I'm also worried that I, don't spend all my money on SSBeauty stuff. Every time I'm there, I have to buy everything. And finally, here we are at the largest SSBeauty store in India, in my city. I cannot wait to go around the store and see everything. So please be with me and we'll shop a lot. Maybe I'll get my makeover done also. Stay tuned. Hi Joyita.
Hello. কেমন আছো?
আমি খুব ভালো আছি, অনেক দিন পর। So I was thinking if you would just do some makeover for me today.
Absolutely.
What a wonderful day, no? That you just wake up, have a good breakfast and get glammed up to buy more glam.
Yes.
Love it. I always like investing on makeup and I think makeup is my most important investment in totality because as I was saying that একটুখানি মেকআপ থাকলেই অনেকগুলো লুক তৈরি হয়ে যেতে পারে. So even if it is pujo, even if it is not pujo, throughout the year, all you need is makeup.
এই কালারটা ঠিক আছে?
একদম ঠিক আছে, আর কিছু দরকার নেই। তুমি একটু জাস্ট আমাকে গ্লসটা দিয়ে একটু টপ করে দাও।
So now you are ready.
I love it. I'm so ready for the glam. I'm so ready to shop some glam right now. We will go and check out the nail bar at SSBeauty. Trust me, this is massive and we have so many things to cover. Right now, I'm at the OPI nail bar at SSBeauty store. I am spoiled for choices. I think let's do some, like a nice, nude color which will go with every outfit.
Okay.
Because I have a lot of places to go right now, a lot of shopping to be done. So I think, should I go for a red? No, too much. This is a nice color.
Okay. It's done.
It's done?
Yeah.
So great. Now that I'm done with my glam also, my nails are also done. So let's go to the retreat room and see what's happening there. I am back in the treatment room. So Joyita, you told me this is the treatment room.
Yes.
So can you tell me what actually happens here?
So this is a treatment room, SSBeauty treatment room. So basically here we done customers, facial or treatment on their faces.
Okay, all the different brands they come and get the proper facial treatment done.
Please come. This is another section also.
So this is an extended portion of the treatment room as well.
Yes.
Oh,
so this is a kind of a spa. You can get your massage done here.
So we are already done with the glam station. We are done with the nail bar. We are also done with the treatment room. And I have one more very interesting section to show you, the fragrance bar. I also have a lot of shopping to do here as well. So let's quickly finish this and hop on to the other places that I have to show you in my city. Here we are at the fragrance bar. Hi Tariq, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm great. So just take me through this entire thing.
Actually, this is our fragrance bar.
Sure, show me whatever
We
you
have
want
top
to.
brands here like Burberry, we have Marc Jacobs, Clean. So this is the new launch perfume by the House of Burberry.
Okay.
Burberry Goddess. Just try the fragrance. It smells like you are smelling the vanilla. because top to base note you are finding essence of vanilla.
It's amazing. I love it, and this is why I think I love SSBeauty, because you get all the biggest of the brands under one roof. Thank you for taking me through all of this. I have had a great day so far. I am loving it. I don't want to leave this place so soon, but we have to go to some other places, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you. So, as you can see, I'm done for the day at SSBeauty, but our day has not yet finished because I have some other very cool places to show you in my city. So come with me. Oof, আবার জ্যাম। আপনাদের কটা যাওয়া হলো পুজোতে? Today is the first day of Pujo shopping, and I have to be very demure, very mindful, very respectful about it. You can take me out of Kolkata, but you can never take Kolkata out of me. Especially during Durga Pujo, I have to be in Kolkata anyhow at any cost. Right now you are with me at Oronnobari in Jodhpur Park, one of my most favorite shops in the city. I have to buy the most important things for Durga Pujo and during other times of the year. So I'm very excited to show you around. Come with me. Now that my clothing is sorted for Durga Pujo, we will be off to explore another fab place for shoes. Come with me. I actually am very confused as in where to get my perfect Durga Pujo biryani from. By the way, you please let me know in the comments what you are getting for Durga Pujo. One of the most important things for us Bengalis during Durga Pujo is that no matter how much of shoe bites we have, we must wear new shoes and get out for pandal hopping. And right now, as you can see all around me, we are at Turamali, who makes absolutely stunning bespoke leather handmade shoes. I can't wait to show you all. Now my outfits are sorted, my shoes are sorted for Durga Puja, but we will be going to another fab place. Now time for some amazing jewelry. Stay tuned and stay with me. Come with me. কি সুন্দর বৃষ্টি না বাবা, শরৎকালটা দারুণ। Finally, we have arrived at Ornaments, my most favorite jewelry store in South Kolkata. Every time I'm around Goriahat, I have to pay a visit here to see all the new stuff they have. No Pujo look is complete without some exquisite jewelry. It's all around me. I'm going to shop a lot. I will show you what I got. So be with me. This piece caught my eye specifically because I'm a Leo. And this has a lion on it. I don't know if you can see it properly, but this is also very, very nice. Ruko zara, sabar karo, shesh pate roshamalaita na khiye gele cholbe. All that I have bought today from the morning, I will wear all of them, style, and show you how I look. And finally, we are here. Thank you so much for coming along with me in this extremely eventful and indulgent day. I had a great time, all thanks to SSBeauty. Let me know in the comments below that what are your Pujo plans, where are you shopping from, what are you shopping for Pujo. We are all very excited to know. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to SSBeauty's YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for all the latest updates, and I will see you in the next one.